Hello friends, welcome to our new video. Let's see the today's problem. Before that, if you are watching our video for the first time or if you did not subscribe to our channel yet, then please go and subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon as well so that you can get the notifications of our new videos. Okay, so the today's question is puzzle game. Okay, so let's see the problem statement. Okay, here we have given a problem statement. The problem statement is Bob challenged Alexa with a puzzle. Okay, he asked her to count how many integers not less than A. Okay, and not more than B are there. Okay, so help Alexa to win. Okay, so in this problem, we have to check that we have given the two numbers, that is A and B. Okay, and we have to check that how many numbers are there, how many numbers present there between A to B, which is not less than A. Okay, let's suppose the number X. Okay, numbers is not less than A. Okay, so X is not less than A. Okay, so that means X, that is numbers, should be greater than or equals to A. Okay, but it should not less than A. Okay, and the numbers should not more than B. Okay, that means the numbers, which is X, is not greater than B. Okay, that means X, that is the numbers should always needs to less than equals to B. Okay, so इस प्रॉब्लम में हमें क्या चेक करना है कि जो नंबर्स दिए हैं वो ये से कम नहीं होने चाहिए, ए से कम नहीं होने चाहिए, और नंबर्स बी से ज्यादा नहीं होने चाहिए. ओके, ऐसे नंबर्स हमको काउंट करने हैं जो कि ए से कम नहीं रहेंगे और बी से ग्रेटर देन नहीं रहेंगे, और इस रेंज में ए से बी की रेंज में हमें चेक करना है कि ऐसे कितने नंबर्स प्रेजेंट है जो कि ए से कम नहीं है और बी से ग्रेटर नहीं है. ओके, दैट मीन्स नंबर्स हमें ऑलवेज या तो ए के बराबर चाहिए या उससे ग्रेटर चाहिए, और बी से बी से इक्वल चाहिए या फिर उससे लेस चाहिए. ऐसे नंबर्स हमें काउंट करने हैं कि कितने नंबर्स present है. Okay, so here what we can do in this problem statement, there is one problem. Okay, so A needs to be always less than equals to B. Okay, so then only we can count this number properly. Okay, because if there are A is greater than B, then let's suppose A is 4. Okay, and B is 1. Okay, so इस प्रॉब्लम स्टेटमेंट में हमें क्या करना है, ए से नंबर जो है ए से लेस देन नहीं होना चाहिए. ओके, दैट मीन्स 4 से बड़ा ही नंबर हमें चाहिए. ओके, एंड बी से छोटा नंबर चाहिए. ओके, बट यहाँ पे हमें कोई भी नंबर 4 से ए और बी, ये दो नंबर्स के बीच में ऐसा कोई भी नंबर नहीं मिलेगा जो 4 से ग्रेटर है और 1 से कम है. ये 4 और 1 की रेंज में, सो हमें यहाँ पे 0 आउटपुट मिल जाएगा. ओके, सो दैट इज वाई हमें ए शुड बी ऑलवेज लेस देन इक्वल्स टू बी. ओके, so how we can solve this problem? Okay, so simply we can solve it by using the simply we'll run the one for loop from A to B and we'll count the numbers which is present in between these two numbers. Okay, or else what we can do, simply we'll check that if a is greater than b. ओके, ये अगर b से बड़ा है तो सिंपली हम क्या करेंगे, 0 रिटर्न कर देंगे. ओके, एल्स क्या करेंगे हम, एल्स b माइनस a प्लस 1 कर देंगे. सो हमको आउटपुट मिल जाएगा. ओके, so like this we can solve this problem. Okay, so now what we can do, first let's remove this part. Okay, okay, here you can see that we have given the two uh, we have given some sample inputs. Okay, so in this case you can see that between the 2 and 4 there are 3 numbers present. Okay, which is 2, which is equal to a. Okay, then 3 and 4. Okay, these are the 3 numbers which is present between these 2 numbers, which is not less than a and not greater than b. Okay, so now this is the problem statement which we have given. Now let's try to solve this problem. Okay, so first we'll take the 2 numbers, okay, by using the scanner a and b. Okay, and here what we can do, simply okay, we'll write if a is greater than b, then what we can do, we have to print 0. Okay, else we have to print b minus a plus 1. Okay, so this will give us the output. Okay, so let's try to run this code. So simply I will give the input 2 and 4. Okay, so click on run. Let's see whether this approach works or not. Okay, okay, you can see that output is 3. Okay, which is correct. Okay, now let's see for the second sample input. So I'll copy this 10 and 100. Let's paste it here, 10 and 100. Click on run. Let's see, it shows the correct output. Okay, you can see the output is 31. Okay, and in case if, let's see for this third sample input. So if a is greater than b, okay, in this case output should be 0. Let's see. Okay, you can see that output is 0. Okay, now for all the sample inputs are showing correct output. Now let's try to submit the code. Okay, and let's see whether all the test cases will pass or not. Okay, you can see that all the test cases has been passed. Okay, so you can solve this problem like this, or else you can solve this problem using the another approach as well, like using one for loop. So what I can do, first I will initialize one count variable. Okay, then I will write one for loop which runs from a, I should be less than equals to b. Okay, then I plus plus. Okay. And inside this for loop, what we can do, simply will increment the count. Okay, and okay, and here we can print the count. Okay, so let's see whether this approach works or not. And 4, so I will give 2 and 4. Okay, click on run. Okay, it should be 3. Okay, you can see the 3. Let's see for 3 and 2. Click on run. Okay, you can see this also works. So let's click on submit. Okay, you can see that all the test cases has been passed by using this approach as well. Okay, so this is the code for this problem. Okay, so that's it in this video. अगर आपको वीडियो पसंद आया हो तो वीडियो को लाइक कीजिए और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए. ओके, सो मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में.